Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to remove thumbnails from Android Gallery. Here are two basic methods to remove thumbnails from your Android Gallery. First method, Clear Cache for Gallery app. Go to Settings. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps, Applications, or App Management depending on your Android brand. Then go to Uplist. Find the Gallery app. Search for Gallery in the list of apps, then tap on it. Clear Cache. Tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. This will remove temporary thumbnail images that the app generates. Reopen the gallery. The thumbnails will be cleared, but new ones may appear as you open or view images again. Last method, use a file manager to delete thumbnails manually. Install a file manager app. If you don't have one, download the file manager app, for example, Files by Google. So for now, we're going to use Google Files. Navigate to the thumbnails folder. Open the file manager app and go to the internal storage. Look for a folder named DCIM. Then, open the .thumbnails folder and delete its contents. This will remove the cached thumbnail images. Restart your phone to refresh the gallery. New thumbnails will be generated as needed, but the old ones will be gone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.